Hello, I'm Jannatul Fardush. Thanks for watching my video presentation of the second assessment task of the unit EDFD 546. Through this presentation, I'm going to present a detailed overview of constructivism approach. Then I will introduce three contemporary ICT tools which promotes constructivism among the students that I'm going to use in my future teaching. Let's start with constructivism approach. What is constructivism? In simple words, constructivism means construct your own knowledge based on existing knowledge and metacognition. According to Dusne and McMahon 2018, there are three principles of the constructivism approach. First one, learners are active participants in their learning. Second one, learners construct and monitor their own learning in a self-regulating process. And the third one is social interaction is necessary for effective learning process. They indicate two kinds of constructivism. First one is psychological constructivism, where individual learners construct their knowledge, beliefs, and identity during the learning process. Another one is social constructivism, where learners might be able to provide a better shape of their learning process with the social interaction. That means social factors such as teachers, peers play a vital role in the cognitive development. Moving to the next, now here I will be talking about a technological test tool called Smart Test. It can be used as a mathematical formative assessment tool. For this, I recommend the website showing on the screen. In Smart Test, teacher would be able to construct topic-related question set and conduct tests in the class via this website. Here I have already developed a question for year 9 Pythagoras theorem. According to Prince, Stracy, Stanley and Gosdenko 2013, smart tests are not designed to give a score to the students, but to identify what the students knows about the topic, to diagnose misconceptions, to provide teachers with information that will help them meet students' needs and to improve learning outcomes. Now, how this ICT tool can promote constructivism. From the book Educational Psychology for Learning and Teaching, we find three basic factors of constructivism in the classroom context. Now, I will discuss how the smart test process would be fit in those principles. One of the major challenges in teaching mathematics is to provide personalized learning opportunities that meet the needs of individual students. Through this formative task, learners would be able to identify Through this test, learners would be able to identify their knowledge gaps about a particular topic. Then, at own arguing, they will try to overcome these perforations. Ultimately, this process will promote discovery learning and inquiry learning of self-centered learning practices. Furthermore, from this testing process as a teacher, I would be able to identify the misconceptions and knowledge gaps of individual students. So, I can provide personalized necessary help to a particular student. Also, I would be able to arrange a group discussion among the students according to their knowledge level, where comparatively weaker students can get peer assistance to strengthen their understanding of a particular topic. Next, I'm going to talk how this ICT tool may cater for diverse learners. The biggest benefit of this testing system is that it provides personalized learning opportunities. So, for comparatively quicker and enthusiastic students, I can supply the question set according to their knowledge level, or I can increase the level of difficulty gradually. On the other hand, for the students with lower cognitive level, I can start from the facile level question set and then gradually move to the harder one. Moreover, as this test is not similar to the traditional testing system, so it would be exceptionally beneficial for the students who have examinophobia and mapphobia. This ICT tool can be used in the classroom ethically and safely. For example, in the case of marking and assessing students' performance, the smart testing system is fair and transparent, since the results are calculated and assessed automatically by the system. Now, my second ICT tool I'm going to use in my future mathematics classroom to promote constructivism is a software called GeoGebra. This software joins geometry, algebra, and calculus. Students can use this software to solve numerous mathematical problems of algebra, geometry, calculus, graphics, shapes, species, and so on. Also, they can test the solutions practically through this software. Furthermore, through this software, they can make changes in the problems by their own and visualize the changes in the answers and shapes due to these changes. Now, I will discuss how this ICT tool can promote constructivism in the classroom. By using GeoGebra in mathematics class, students can demonstrate the problems and solutions by themselves. It creates a self-regulated learning environment. Also, in GeoGebra, students are able to make changes in the problems independently and see the differences in the results instantly, which enhances students' cognitive level about a particular topic. Furthermore, virtually practical testing opportunity of a mathematical topic from the different angles through GeoGebra encourages students' curiosity about mathematics. Finally, I can conclude teaching mathematics by using GeoGebra is totally different from the traditional teaching methods of mathematics since it promotes constructivism among students. Now, how this GeoGebra can cater for the needs of diverse learners. There are some features such as sliders and animation in GeoGebra that allows teachers to engage students of different levels, especially students with ADHD, as these features have sufficient resources to reduce the monotoniness of a mathematical topic. Mathphobia is a worldwide known factor. By using GeoGebra, this mathphobia can be reduced, since here students have full authority to make various changes in the problems, with no fear of being right or wrong. This software is specially designed for high school math students, so it is absolutely ethical and safe to use GeoGebra in teaching and learning mathematics in the classroom. Now let me talk about my last ICT tool, which is also a software that can be downloaded from the website on the screen. In this site, I can find numerous virtual manipulatives for different grades. A popular approach to help students to understand abstract mathematical concepts is the use of concrete materials, known as manipulatives. It helps students and teachers concretely represent abstract math concepts and enables students to link these concepts to prior knowledge. Virtual manipulatives are digital objects that represent physical manipulatives. One can use them often with the mouse in the same way. How these virtual manipulatives promote constructivism in the classroom. As I told before, virtual manipulatives can improve students' understanding of the abstract symbolic knowledge of mathematics. The students who struggled with math often find it hard to connect visual and symbolic representation. By using virtual manipulatives, it can help to make these connections clear. Also, they help students clarify misconceptions and build connections between the concepts and representation. An added benefit of virtual manipulatives is many of these give hints and feedbacks to the students that allow students to practice on their own without assistance of a teacher or peer. Besides, also students can make groups to work with some virtual manipulatives, which provides them peer and teacher support. By using this website, I also can cater for diverse learners' needs. For example, a quick and passionate learner can easily change the shape of an object by using the mouse to know how the mathematical concepts might fit for the object from different angles. Also, this tool could be especially helpful to students with language disabilities, including English language learners, since using this, they can clarify their doubts by themselves, which might be difficult to explain to the teachers or to their peers. Furthermore, students who find basic mathematical concepts difficult to understand, they can relate the theoretical knowledge by visualizing the concrete structure from this website. This application doesn't have any features that can be ethically or psychologically disturbing for the students. No extra precautions are needed while using this app in the classroom. So, using this software in the mathematics classroom are fully safe and ethical. Finally, I hope through my presentation I might be able to give a clear idea about the ICT tools that promotes constructivism in classroom and also caters for diverse learners' needs that I can use in my classroom in a safe and ethical manner. Thank you again for your time.